If you're planning a trip to Iceland in September or October, aka autumn, you might be thinking to yourself, hey Jeannie, you have a summer packing video and a winter packing video. What about me? Don't worry, my friends, that's what I'm here for today. Hey Team Iceland, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jeannie and I'm here to help you plan the best trip ever to Iceland. Today, we are going to talk about the things that you need to bring in your suitcase for your autumn trip. I've talked before on this channel about how there are basically two seasons in Iceland, winter and winter light. Autumn is a really fast season in Iceland, but it definitely has a very characteristic weather pattern. September and October are kind of a unique month because in general, they're the most windy and rainy month. So storms galore, you gotta be prepared with the right stuff. And if you don't have the right gear in your suitcase, you're gonna be missing out on some stuff. So I'm gonna talk to you today about what to bring and then also what you're gonna wanna consider to wear in Reykjavik for your time out on the town. Let's get into it. So for your basic layering pieces, you basically want to have some kind of undergarment, long sleeve shirt and pants that's going to go underneath your main gear. So I like to have long sleeve shirts. I also have a fleece lined one just in case for warmer days. And then you all know that my favorite pieces, my lopapesa, I love it, love it, love it. I wear it everywhere for exploring because it keeps me super warm. Highly suggest you pick one up at the beginning of your trip. Other kind of long sleeve shirts, sweaters, sweatshirts are nice to have for lounging around and going out for dinner. Obviously you want to have pants. Again, I like my fleece lined pair of leggings because I can pop that underneath either jeans or my outerwear pants. You gotta have jeans, obviously. In terms of what to wear for Reykjavik, basically, just keep it simple, you guys. Think about like a nice pair of jeans, a shirt, a sweater, pop a flare with a scarf. Your outerwear pieces are the most important. This is where you're going to want to invest your most money. I like these down packable jackets just depending on how much warmth I need. And then of course my red outer jacket just for exploring. It has a hood, which is super helpful, and it does help protect me from the elements. So it's not completely waterproof, but it is really good for handling those windy days. Outdoor hiking pants are an absolute must. This is the best way to keep yourself protected and explore around Iceland. I can't recommend these enough, and if you guys want links to all these products, they're in the description. So autumn months tend to be the rainiest months of the year, so having good quality rain gear is essential, you guys. So I highly suggest investing in something that's going to keep you completely dry. These are frog togs, which are known to keep the rain completely off of you. Let me tell you, you do not want rain ruining your adventure. Moving on to things that keep your neck warm. If it's a warmer day, I'll use a buff, but if I need a little bit extra warmth, then I like to wear a fleece lined gaiter. Obviously, my headband goes with me everywhere I go. I like to throw it on just for keeping me warm enough, but if it's colder, then I'm going to be using some sort of hat as well. Having both options is really nice. Now, again, it's cold, it's windy, it's possibly wet. You need to have gloves to protect your fingers. My personal favorite are ones that have the touchscreen so that I can still use my devices when I'm out and about. Footwear is also super critical, you guys. So for autumn, obviously you want to have a few pair of really good warm socks. My favorite is Smart Wool. And then the hiking boot that I use and love is called Anu. They are water resistant. They have a really nice grippy sole. They keep your foot really supported and I just really love them. I like to wear my boots when I'm going on longer hikes. And then for just a bit more casual walking around and exploring, I do like to wear a hiking shoe, which also has really good grip on the bottom. Not quite as waterproof, but will still handle the elements pretty well. You do want to have a pair of quick slide-on shoes. I use flip-flops just for getting in and out of the hot springs. So for some of the accessories that you don't want to forget, obviously you want to pack all of your toiletries in your bathroom bag. You need to have a swimsuit for all of the wonderful hot springs and pools. And then I recommend a quick dry towel because it packs up really small and it also dries fast when you need to use it between the hot springs. Sunglasses, obviously. Again, it's getting colder at this time of year, so bringing extra batteries or a charging pack for your devices is so important so that you are able to make it throughout the day. You're going to need to have an electrical adapter with you if you are coming from the UK or the US. This is my favorite adapter. It has different conversions, and then also it has 2 USB slots for extra charging. If you want to grab some road footage like you see in a lot of my videos, then you're going to want to have a window mount, which is perfect for holding either your phone or your GoPro. Highly suggest bringing with you any kind of medicines or prescriptions that you're going to need because it's a lot harder to find some of the things in Iceland. Autumn means the start of Northern Light season, you guys, so do not forget a tripod. You're going to need it to get the smooth Northern Lights photos. Don't forget a water bottle because of course you can drink straight from the tap in Iceland, so don't buy bottled water, just fill up as often as you can. I recommend a day pack for holding together all of the things that you're going to need to tote with you throughout your adventures. And when you put it all together, here's what it looks like. Autumn is literally one of my favorite seasons in Iceland, you guys. I just love this time because you still have some of the beautiful green landscapes. You might get a hint of the fall colors. The temperatures are still pretty good, and then hello, Northern Lights. So I just know that you're gonna love this time of year. Alrighty friends, that is your autumn packing list. I hope this video made you feel confident about what to pack in your suitcase for September or October. And if you want a free copy of my packing list, then all you have to do is head to my website and download it. I'll put the link in the description box below. That's it for today, Team Iceland. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. And remember to like this video and subscribe because I'm gonna be back here next week with another planning video and I just don't want you to miss it. I'll see you next week. Happy planning.